hours.
Para ka, pero fresh na fresh.
Aso pag-uwi, no?
No way! Cardio doesn't stop.
What's that?
Cardio doesn't stop.
Stop.
Yeah, but wait. Okay, let's talk about this. Isa to sa pinaka-inaabangan. It had a buzz even before ngayong launching na to. What was the most joyous thing you did when you filmed this back in May?
Just being part of the project, or even just being considered for it actually, and being part of this wonderful team. I think I'm so lucky that this is my first I guess big film that I really worked on, because everybody in the production and the cast were just so great to be with.
First time working together.
Yes. First time lahat kami. Pero nag-jive lahat ng energy namin.
We really
Kahit first shooting pa lang namin.
Yeah.
Balita ko 10 days lang yung shooting pero parang bond of a lifetime ang nabuo.
Kaya 10 years na yung friendship namin sa 10 years.
Correct! Oo. Actually, mga shipper na nga kayo, hindi pa to umi-ere, Grabe. Kamusta?
Okay naman. We really got along.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, but how has the bond been? How has the friendship been since, of course, filming this? Syempre, for the fans of Janela, syempre, they want the update.
The update? What update?
Update.
Well, Clea.
About me?
Kasi El Nela dati, ano na ngayon? Clinea? Clinella? Inisipan ko na. Ano na?
Bahala na kayo kung ano pangalan.
Oh.
But
Get along well. Get along really well.
What can you say about the bond that you built?
Ayun. We get along really well, and kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun.
I love it. What can you say? Ikaw naman, kailangan from you naman.
Ano ba yung question?
How has the bond been? Kamusta yung naging relationship nyo after this?
Sa aming apat? Of
Hindi kayo
course.
muna ni
Kaming
Janela.
dalawa. Of course, hindi naman may iwasan na maging close kami kasi nga, sabi mo nga, sa 10 days na shooting days namin, parang 10 years na yung friendship naming
I love
apat.
it.
Pero yung with Janela, parati naman nakikita kami sa labas. And
That's it.
yun na yun.
I love it.
Ayun na yun.
Jazz, anong suporta? Di ba sa
That's
cast?
that.
Oh!
What's there to say? What you see is what you get.
No, but huwag tayo lumis.
About me. Charot.
Hindi, about you yun na nga, no? Because we were talking just last night
Yeah.
about the films that you've been choosing.
Yes.
And how about this? What message did you want to really convey upon taking up this role?
That it's a reality that people
Ano?
live. And, I think in a country like ours, I'd like to say we like the idea or love the idea of being a conservative country, of being predominantly religious in a certain sector. But honestly, alam mo, sobrang open natin sa
Oo.
pagdating sa landscape natin. And hindi tayo dapat maging tahimik sa pag-share ng kwento ng mga queer people, because these are lives that we're talking about. These are realities. So, for me talaga, pagdating sa pelikulang ko, it was a no-brainer naman also for me. And it was a great opportunity to be back in Cinemalaya as well. Kasi it's been a decade or
Yeah!
more since.
Grabe.
That's why, ang tagal kong tinabaho. Ilang beses ako nag-audition, ngayon lang ulit nakapasok.
No, totoo.
Yeah.
No, but really the complexities of having a relationship with one, you guys are, of course, women who had relationships with one another in the film. Can you, kamusta yung storyline niya and complexities of filming it?
Yeah, talking about the complexities, the film is specifically a queer experience talaga. Like, if it were for women who are not in the LGBTQIA+ community, I think it would have been a totally different storyline. So it's important for people to see this because it really talks about, although it's presented in a very lighthearted way, it really talks about the everyday struggles of the community. And yeah, I think it's a very important story to tell, especially these days.
What struggle did you realize upon making the film that you didn't, parang hindi talaga siya common knowledge, kumbaga, about women?
Struggle? Siguro very kasi unusual yung story namin eh. So hindi siya yung parating nangyayari. But honestly, I don't really see much of a struggle. It's more of, I'm really happy to be a part of, to be a storyteller, a part of it. Na masabi namin yung kwentong to at mapakita namin, maging part ng experience na to. Kasi experience talaga siya, lalo na pag napanood mo siya. Hindi siya yung palagi mong nakikitang representation. Iba siya. So, ayun.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano, may tatanong daw si Kuya Nelson, siya daw magtatanong.
Matanong na.
Kayo na ba?
Ha?
Kayo na ba? Oo, kayo na ba?
Feeling ko, hindi ito yung tamang venue to talk
Ay, gusto ko yan!
Pero kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun na yun. And para lang maging klaro, sabi ko kasi magsasalita ako at the right time. Ito na yun. Hindi po ako part ng breakup. Hindi po ako third party. I'd like to exclude myself from that. And ayun lang. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun na yun.
Gano'n ka kasaya ngayon, Janela?
Nakikita nyo
Katabi mo si Clea, dapat 10 out of 10. Charot! Gano'n ka kasaya? Hindi mo sinagot.
Nakikita nyo naman kung gaano ako kasaya.
Knowing. Oh. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan na, tinanong ko na.
Sana happy na kayo.
Oo, siya ang sabi.
Sana happy na kayo
Clea.
sa answer namin.
Oo, super happy. Kasi si Kuya Alan, si Tito Alan, gusto pa daw dagdagan, no? Clea,
Ano
ikaw
ba
naman daw.
tanong?
Si Janela kanina puro salita. Ikaw
Oo.
naman daw.
Anong tanong ba?
Bakit nag-blush ka? Nag-blush siya!
Sa venue.
Oh my gosh, siya yung nag-blush!
Ano ba yung tanong?
Are you together?
Right now, we're all physically together.
Thank you for saving me, Justin!
Hindi pwede copy-paste.
Kung ano ay nakikita nyo online or kahit saan, yun na yun. Basta masaya kami. Sige, namin mag-focus sa film muna.
Yeah!
Film muna tayo, film muna tayo.
Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for being so casual.
No, because she's gonna kill me.